In this episode, we're going to explore trading spot gold and spot silver. You're going to learn how to read the price from a chart, how to calculate the value of a pip, and what are lots. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep producing valuable content for traders like you. Let's get started. Let's start with explaining the price you see on a chart. The spot gold or spot silver price is a measure of how many US dollars are required to buy 1 troy ounce of that commodity. It is displayed as a ratio and is traded in a very similar way to a currency pair on Forex. This example shows the current price of spot gold in US dollars per troy ounce. The green and red candles show how the gold spot price changes over time, with the most recent candle on the right-hand side. The left-hand scale shows the gold price in US dollars. Following the dotted line from the last candle to the price scale shows that the current price of spot gold is $3,300.195 US dollars per troy ounce. The spot price of silver is read and traded in exactly the same way. So, how does this relate to the pip? Pip stands for percentage in point, and it's the unit of measurement to represent the change in value of the spot price. 1 pip is typically a 1-digit movement of the second decimal place of the spot price. However, this depends upon your broker. Some brokers use the first decimal place, others use the second decimal place. This means it's very important to confirm this for yourself for each broker you use. If it's not clear from the chart, you can speak to your broker account manager who will be happy to help. In these examples, we are going to assume it's the second decimal place as this is most common. To help you out, the pip is always shown in blue in all of the examples. Let's look at a quick example. If we use the spot price from the previous example and add 1 pip, this would be the new price. It's a 1-digit change of the second decimal place. Here's a handy picture to help you learn how to read the pips. So if the price increased by 1 pip, the number would read 3,300.205. Some brokers add an extra digit to the price for more accuracy. This is 1/10 of a pip and is shown in purple. It's called a pipette, or fractional pip. Let's look at a quick example of how you might use this new information. This chart shows the gold spot price. Let's pretend we bought at the price of $3,360.025 US dollars per troy ounce. The price then increases to $3,373.950 US dollars, and we close the position. We subtract one from the other to find the difference between the two prices. This equals 13.925. We've just made 1,392.5 pips. Now that we understand how to read a pip, we can explain what is meant by the term lot. Spot gold and silver are bought and sold in troy ounces. To simplify this, many traders talk in terms of lots. For spot gold, a standard lot is equal to 100 troy ounces, a mini lot is equal to 10 troy ounces, and a micro lot equals 1 troy ounce. For spot silver, a standard lot is equal to 5,000 troy ounces. A mini lot is equal to 500 troy ounces, and a micro lot equals 50 troy ounces. In reality, you are not constrained to trading these round numbers. You can choose any number you'd like to trade at the point you place the order. Now that we understand pips and lots, we can finally calculate the value of a pip. Our first example looks at spot gold. The value of 1 pip equals the number of troy ounces multiplied by $0.01 per troy ounce. For example, when trading 1 standard lot, the pip value equals 100 troy ounces multiplied by $0.01. This equals $1 per pip. If we traded 1 mini lot, 1 pip would equal 10 troy ounces multiplied by $0.01, equating to $0.1 per pip. And if we traded a micro lot, 1 pip would equal 1 troy ounce multiplied by $0.01. This equates to $0.01 per pip. For spot silver, the value of 1 pip equals the number of troy ounces, multiplied by $0.01 per troy ounce. For example, when trading 1 mini lot, the pip value equals 500 troy ounces multiplied by $0.01. This equals $5 per pip. And for a micro lot, 1 pip equals 50 troy ounces multiplied by $0.01, equating to $0.50 per pip. Here's a handy table to summarize this. So to summarize, 1 pip is typically a 1-digit movement of the second decimal place of the spot price. However, this depends upon your broker. Some brokers use the first decimal place, so you must confirm this for yourself. We also learned that lot sizes for spot gold and spot silver are measured differently and should not be confused with Forex lot sizes. And finally, we learned how to calculate the value of a pip. If you've received value from this video, then please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep producing valuable content for traders like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.